India.
In a cabinet meeting held yesterday, the cabinet discussed and gave its approval to the proposal to rename Lady Hydari Park to Phan Nonglait Park. The cabinet also approved creation of posts for Shillong Public Higher Secondary School. Creation of posts in the state NSS cell as mandated by Government of India is approved by the cabinet. The decisions include amendment to the Meghalaya State Food Commission Rules 2014 for the tenure of the chairman in accordance with the rules at the national level. Other decisions of the cabinet included on the enhancement of cash grant to recipients from gallantry and distinguished award winners of Army, Navy and Air Force personnel of the state, the Meghalaya State WAF Board Rules 2023 and the Meghalaya State Policy on Construction and Demolition Waste 2021.
Not enough teaching staff there for that, and hence that those particular posts for the higher secondary school were created, and today that was cleared by the cabinet. The second proposal was for the creation of posts in the state NSS cell. This is something that is mandated by the Government of India, and this board was supposed to come out quite some time back. We have amended some rules in the Meghalaya State Food Commission rules in terms of the period of time of the chairman. So that was in accordance with the rules that have been laid on at the national level.